But as you can see, the foam comes out on top. Comes with a little starter pamphlet, you know, a little booklet on how to. Got some stickers here, you know what I'm saying? Pretty good, pretty nice and decent. All right, so this is like how the box comes. It comes with like this little styrofoamy look, which is pretty dope. I like it. So let's unbox this real quick. You can see it's actual cutout for the actual mic inside. Mic comes upside down. It comes on its own stand, obviously, and that's pretty much all in the box. I don't know how they fit this in here, but also in the box comes these 2 wires. Now, these 2 wires are very important, man, because you got the mic definitely plugged into a USB-C, and I think that's the difference between this and the Blue Yeti. So if you guys can see the USB-C right there, try to focus that. The USB-C right there, and it also plugs into another USB-C if you have that option, right, on like, let's say your PC or whatever you plug into your XLR. Then you have this one that plugs into the regular USB, but also into the mic goes a USB-C. Okay, so it's, as you can see, that goes into there. All right, now these cords, the cables are really long, so you can I think that would be the only downfall for somebody that has a shorter setup, right, that they don't want the cord to be that long, but they're pretty decent nonetheless. All right, so in the actual bag, man, I'm gonna be keeping this and putting this on my desktop. As you can see, it comes in all white. Man, I mean, this is clean, guys. It does not come with a guard or anything you can put over it, but you don't really need it because you have all the buttons here. It has its own dedicated mute button, which you can press. You can maximize the volume of your mic. I'm sorry, of your headphones. So this is the volume of your headphones, guys. You can maximize that volume right there. You plug in your headphones, 3mm right there. This is your USB. This is where you can take this off of this stand here if you wanted to, and you can hang it up. Put it up on, like, if you had an all white build, man, this would be dope for your PC. Put a nice little all white build going on in your room, lighten up the mood, right? I like it, man. And the bottom has this little grip, so it won't really move around. Man, it's comes with a lot, man. The gain in the back, right? Then you have your cardioid mode, all these speaker mode, this is like conference and everything like that. This is stereo. So it's pretty decent, man, as far as range, and it actually has a great range, man. So I was in my room streaming it too, by the way. I was in my room streaming it, and you guys were able to see me build the PC. I was using this, but then my stream quality was terrible because I had to use like a third-party app and all that, and I had to use my MacBook to stream. So therefore I didn't get the good stream quality with the sound. So let's play the timeshare, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video, man. Remember to smash a like. So go check out Movo, guys. Link in the description below. Thank you guys again for sponsoring this video. This is an instruction manual, guys. You can check out their service, man. They have Monday through Friday service, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. PST. You can call them, you can email them, you can live chat them. I'm assuming live chat is probably more so consistent and probably the best way to get to them. They have their Facebook and Twitter right down here below. Check that out, right? Check that out. Go check them out. You can check them out, man, and do your research, guys, before you actually buy. But man, I would definitely get a mic like this. So thank you guys again for sponsoring this video. All right, let's get into the timeshare, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Movo.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in the
build is because we had a lot of wire management and a lot of items were coming in. There were items that I was waiting for that didn't come in, that were rerouted to me, and just so much moving parts, and the shipment took forever, guys, forever. As we get to the next part of our video, and also guys, check the link in the description below where you guys can find the Movo microphone. I am currently using that right now, and I'm not trying to make this a Movo thing, but you hear this quality, right? This is with unedited footage, nothing. I am not changing anything. This is the sound quality of the Movo mic, man. It is redunculous. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Thank you guys for coming and watching this far. Thank you guys. So for the specs of the desk, we'll get into at the end of the video. But currently we are running right now for the headsets. We are running a DT990 biodynamic. We have a mouse pad, a Logitech mouse pad, and two G502s, one wired and one wireless. The wireless one is currently charging right now, with a Razer gaming keyboard. I don't use this keyboard for anything. I use it literally just to navigate through things. We have a Samsung 32-inch 240 Hz 2K display, It is a beast. It's a curve monitor with a 1000R curve, which is one of the only of its kind. We have the Shure SM7B microphone. We have a 49-inch Samsung curved display, also 1000R. This one has 5000 resolution by 1440p, and it also is running at 240 Hz. We have the Movo microphone, as you guys can see right there. The Stream Deck, we are running a gaming pad, which is also a part of Razer, and the Go XLR. So let's talk about the specs that's actually in the desk, guys. So in the desk, we are rocking on the streaming side. Yes, we have two sides. We have two full PC sides. We're running an ATX motherboard, which is a X570 motherboard Pro Wi-Fi. Connected to that motherboard, you have a Ryzen 7 2700X. You have a 2070 Super graphics card, which is from Gigabyte. You also have 16 gigs of RAM, 2 sticks each, so going to be 32 gigs total of RAM DDR. You have 2 terabytes of storage also that are SSDs. Connected to one of the PCI slots is not only the graphics card, but you also have 4K Pro from Elgato. That is the new pass-through M2 that also passes through 240 Hertz. An 850 power supply, which also has RGB in it. You can pretty much navigate through the RGB by pressing one button in the back. And that's pretty much it on the streaming side. Connected to the streaming side is the gaming PC. Now the gaming PC goes through a pass-through, which is a HDMI cord that goes into the Elgato 4K Pro M2. That's the specs that are on the gaming side are a Z390 master motherboard, and connected to the motherboard you have a 2080 Ti graphics card. You have 1 terabyte of gaming SSD gaming storage, however you want to call it. You have 4 sticks of 8 gigabyte RAM, which equals out to 32 gigabytes of RAM. You also have an i9 9900K. You have a 1000-watt PSU connected to that as well. And that's pretty much it for the PC gaming side. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. We would never made this happen. Big shout out to Dr. Lupo and Samsung for also making this happen. Shout out to Movo for being the sponsors of this video. And shout out to you guys, man, the viewers. It would not be possible without you guys. So thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember to smash a like, hit the sub if you're new to the channel. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.